Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0 is. Let's first name the points A 0, 4, B 0, 0 and C 3, 0. So the perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. So let's first find the distance between these points, two taken at a time, so that we get length of all the sides. So length of AB is nothing but distance between A and B, which is given by under root of x1 plus x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which is in this case 0 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, which is 4 square. So we can write 4 square here, and when we take square root we can ignore the negative value because this is distance we are calculating. So this is 4 units. Length of BC is distance between B and C, which is again in similar way 0 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to minus 3 whole square, which is exactly equal to plus 3 whole square, so 3 square. Again similarly we can ignore negative value, we get 3 units. And length of AC is distance between A and C, which is equal to under root of, let's see, 3 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to 3 minus 0 whole square is 3 square, so which is 9, and 0 minus 4 whole square is minus 4 whole square, which is 16. So 9 plus 16, which is equal to under root of 25. Again ignoring the negative value, we get 5 units. Therefore perimeter of triangle ABC is length of AB plus length of BC plus length of AC, which is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 15 units. 12 units. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. Let's correct that. 12 units. So answer is option B, 12 units.